What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NEO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So NEO, it is pushing up higher, largely probably due to Baba as well. So it looks like it's trying to get back above this prior support that was recently resistance, but could be somehow starting to get into support territory. Just very choppy right around this area. Before it was a lot of support, and now it's acting as a lot of resistance. So we'll see what happens if we can break through. There are some good signs for NEO in the future because it's starting to break through these downward trend lines. You see that it broke through this downward trend line right here, so it's no longer under the effect of this downward trend line, but it can still get below it. I'm not saying just because it broke it is guaranteed to go up higher. But that's the first good sign. We can see maybe a rally take place from here up to the maybe high fours, low fives. So that's something to keep an eye on. But again, long term, NEO is still bearish because it's still below these longer term trend lines, which I'll show you guys more on the weekly chart. But it's just wait and see. You see that the bears were trying to make another leg down. This was all one large attempt right here, or one leg down by the bears. And you drag this over. This was the second leg down. This was the first attempt by the Bears. The second attempt, the second attempt failed. So again, I'm looking for a break above 457. If we break above the prior high of today's close, or technically yesterday's close, then there's a good chance this will continue much higher. Probably start stopping out all the shorts. So again, it's setting up for higher prices, but I want to see it break above the mid $4 level and stay above it. So that's what I see on the daily chart. If it fails to do that, then you know what to expect, more lower prices. Long term, it needs to prove itself by breaking through these downward trend lines right over here. So overall, it's still bearish until proven otherwise. But maybe very soon we could probably see a break of this downward trend line as well. And then it could be off to the races for NEO. So it has a potential to push up higher. But again, we've seen a lot of potentials before that led to more disappointment. But again, if it starts soon, I think it's likely. Then there's a good chance we see a breakthrough above these EMAs, above this EMA and trend lines. There's a good chance we do see a large rally. So let's say a large rally does develop. Well, then you can look for a measured leg higher, one leg up right here, second leg up, and this will take price right back to the $8 level. So again, NEO has the potential to do it, but it needs to prove itself by breaking above the mid fours and staying above it. So I'm looking for the 460 level, for 457, I believe it was 460 level, basically just above today's prior high, like 455, 456. There's a good chance that we do see higher prices develop from there. And earnings report looks to be coming out sometime in March. So again, we don't have to worry about that this month. So all I have for NEO on the daily and weekly charts is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.